Right now, and look who we saw on the road. Who's that? Who that?
Gonna get to the orders, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, always start the day. Start the day right. This is how Canadians start their mornings. It's pretty early, man.
Hello, light. You have fans go on.
Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be wheel swapping things, starting with the XB. So we got those Lexani wheels that we picked up a few weeks ago, wrapped in well, the cheapest summer tires I can get my hands on, because the Koenigs we have on the car right now have really good winter tires, and it's meant to be my winter beater. But looking at it now, I think we're gonna be needing a new winter beater. Brought our friend Gohan too. Gonna be chilling with me at the garage today. He's such a happy boy. I'm just excited to see what these finally look like on the XB. And we ended up going with a thicker tire profile than the ones we had before, so a lot more square. Yeah. I was gonna say, we may or may not end up having to use the spacers that are on the car right now, just because with this kind of tire fitment, it might actually be rubbing. So, well, there's only one way to really find out. Reboot! Only 90s kids will know where that's from. Well, it's the name of the actual series, so
I intend to find out. Reboot!
But seriously, hands down, one of the best series I watched growing up as a child. Let's get today started. Also, I think later, Jackson is gonna be tinting the RX7 for me, so it's over there right now, chilling. He was here pretty late last night trying to get the rear window finished. And it looks really good. So I'm just gonna leave it here, and when Jackson has time, he's gonna do the two front windows. Probably gonna go with a 35 because I still wanna be able to see. And also window tints are like the first things I get pulled over for, so that's why I haven't done window tints in a long time. You know what, at this point, I don't really care anymore. Hence, go super illegal. This is like green mirror tint, and the XB has 35. This is proper. You're still able to see from the inside at night, and you get proper UV shade. Embracing the toy in Toyota, except we're missing the Supra. Wait, there's one right there. Lens has gotten so much worse. I gotta change this. It's the lens. Let's see. Okay. This lens is done for, man. Look. That's the actual lens, guys. Oh, that sucks. There will always be this dusty filter. I need a new lens. Next wheels we're gonna swap are Trey's red ones for the bronze Kanseis wheels that are on the RX7. And for the rest of this video, guys, I apologize for the specs. I can't wipe that off, sorry. From when I was filming Sparks. It was basically molten lava on the glass and it melted. Whoa, yeah, that's what these are. I thought it was a cool effect, and it was, it was hitting the lens and I wasn't thinking, but this guy has purple wheels too, and these are the ones that were on his previous build. So sad.
I saw one driving by today and I was like, oh, I miss that color so much.
Oh, the silver? Yeah. Really? White is cool though. Yeah. Alright.
I mean, white is the original color that I wanted.
Yeah. Oh, if I zoom in, the specs are gone.
Oh, probably like focuses past it.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's perfect. Well, good enough. I'll just have to film like that. By the way, I don't think I've showed you what it looks like with all 4 icy wheels on. That looks dope. And that's running the 1-inch spacer. The rear actually is perfect fitment, and I took it for a test spin around the block. Oh my god, I can't get over those specs. Anyways, I took this thing for a test around the block. No rubbing issues, other than if you like do full lock on the left side. So still got to get the wheels aligned, but that's what she looks like for now. And if you're wondering why the Supra is here, is because I quickly went home to drop off Gohan because I felt bad. There was no one here for him to play with, and I was just like working on the XB, and he looked sad. So I dropped him off at my parents' house, and he'll play with my brother, aka his uncle and grandparents. So, and then I just decided to bring the Supra. How are we gonna do this? Dude, we only have 1 jack. Wait, triple switch. Today is a wheel swapping day. Has fitted the purple ones on this yet? No. Sick! Yes. You'll see it here first. Purple on white. And then these are gonna go on the RX7 for a bit. Just wanna see what it looks like. And then I can rep the Red Sun sticker. I'm gonna quickly see here. Ooh, that's perfect. Red Suns. I just gotta get the sizing right. Someone already did it. That looks like a little smaller than the wheel well by maybe 3-4 inches on both sides. Man, those are wide. These are 10. What the fuck, dude? That's like aggressive fitment, man. Red looks good though.
Imagine if life was a game. Imagine if all this is fake. Imagine if
That looks good. Hey, there's another Supra. Look at that. That's awesome. With these coilovers, I still can go down like 2 to 3 inches. It's messed up. We are going to be going with a 9.5 though for the Kanseis fitment. But this looks good. I like a little bit of poke and stretch. Damn. Black on red, and it's not like that candy apple gloss red, and it's not like that candy apple red. It's almost like a blood red. I love it. Ooh, thanks Trey. I'm gonna keep it like this for a little until you get bored of those or your purple ones. You got so many to choose from.
I want to get bored.
Just get wheel adapters and you can try them all. Yeah, this looks sick. Swap number 2.
This is number 3.
Now Trey's gonna be test fitting the bronze ones because they're all different width sizes. So these are 10s, 8.5?
9.
9, and then these are 9.5. So that's why this is actually poking out a little bit. It's changed so much in so little time. I love it. Rocket Bunny. We're waiting on the diffuser actually. So that'll finish up the rear end. And also we're gonna be getting a custom exhaust fabricated because if you actually look underneath, the exhaust pipe it's actually right there. So I'm gonna try to get one of my friends to finish that off so we can actually have an exhaust coming out the back here because it's so empty.
Yeah,
I think you can get away with that. and I like it. That was quick. Damn, look.
Go check these out. Red Suns.
What? That's so fast.
Matches
Yo,
the wheels.
thanks, homie.
Yeah, no worries,
Custom
bro.
decals.
Hey.
Sean coming in clutch. Red on red. Yeah, we're gonna put this right there. What the? I just want to check. Look, it's this tab. Woo! That's pushing on it. It like doesn't want to go. It's pushing on the fender. I just bended them in a little bit. Hopefully that works. Yeah, keep going. Woo! All the way. Damn, that's so close. Just by millimeters. Dre wants Shane's here. What the heck? It's official. Okay, not gonna lie, that's pretty badass. Woo! He's gonna go work out. Okay, let's install this side. Here's a little tip. If you want to try and get it as straight as possible, I'm using green tape. I want to get that perpendicular to the ground. Sweet. That's perfect.
You slept on me, collected season. Now that keep you up at night. That should keep you up at night. Oh, I see this.
Cool. They can hurt some people. It's like the Romans when they had spikes on their wheels. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah. Or a functional height, you know? Peace out, thanks for the help, man. And thanks for lending me your wheels. I'm probably gonna keep them. That thing is fast. I think it's faster than the Supra. I've decided we're gonna keep them. Well, for now, you know. And we got the Red Suns decal on the back. Black Cascade. And guys, I apologize for the dirty specs on the lens. You guys are just gonna have to bear with for now. But I did order us a new lens, so that should be coming in the next week or so. Other than that, we're just gonna finish this video. Really quick wheel swap day for the XB and the FD, and of course Trey's WRX. But this thing's starting to look sweet. Every day it changes, but I'm super satisfied with where it's at right now. It's just missing extra arrow on the back. Guys, what are we doing with this FD? It's starting to grow on me, you know? I never really saw myself with an RX7, but it just happened. Thank Larry. My friends are such a bad influence. Eddie and Larry. I'm just gonna end the video, guys. Appreciate you for you. Remember, this is one of my mantras. It's on our hat, actually. The phrase is, there will never be another you. Keep that in mind. And it's sometimes good to think about your mortality, as in like, you guys are gonna die someday. Your hope is that you die super slowly, because every day, you're just inching closer to your death. And it's Stoic philosophy to think of your mortality, because that thought forces you to live every day to its fullest. And that's kind of what I'm trying for. Thanks for watching. If you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll see you when we see you.
I see through